All right, folks, so as promised in this video, we're going to be doing some flashcard work to determine what outside and inside a function looks like to determine horizontal shifts and vertical shifts. So first, what type of function is this? It is an absolute value function because it has the absolute value bars. Now, this +2, would you say that's inside the absolute value or outside the absolute value? So inside or outside the function, the 2 would be on the outside. So since it's +2, those outside transformations, think of me moving my arm up and down. Positive numbers go up, negative numbers go down. So this function would be moving up 2 from the parent function location. For this one, we've got another absolute value function. This -5 is on the outside, so think of my arm going down. This would move our function down 5 units. All right, now for this one, that +4 is inside the function. So this is where we cross our eyes because on the inside, and our eyes are on the inside of our head, that +4 does the opposite of what we would think. So positive normally means in this direction, but we cross our eyes and it goes in the opposite direction. So a +4 will move us to the left 4 units. Now, this function is a quadratic. We've got a little squared. That's how we know it's a quadratic. This -3 is outside my quadratic function, so that would be down 3 units. The -5 is on the inside with my x inside that quadratic function. So we cross our eyes. It does the opposite of what we would think. It would move us to the right 5 units. -9 is on the inside. So we cross our eyes and it goes to the right 9 units. This is a quadratic. The +2 is on the outside, so up 2. The -7 is on the inside, so we cross our eyes and we go to the right 7 units. +4 outside, so up 4 units. -2 inside, so we go right 2 units. +8 means up 8. +3 on the inside, left 3. Now, this one sometimes throws students off, but is that +2 inside the quadratic or outside? It is outside, so that would be an up 2 transformation. Now, this is one of our notations for the step function or greatest integer function. And that's what's kind of nice about these transformation rules is that inside and outside those descriptors work for any type of function. So gross, the greatest integer function, that +6 is on the inside. So we cross our eyes and that would move us to the left 6 units. This would be right 2, up 8. Right 7, down 3. And this is where we get into some new transformations. So folks, you can rewatch this video and kind of practice saying along what each of those transformations is doing.